Abokufika baseZimbabwe basalindele ukuhamba bathabaza ukuthi ikusasa libaphathelene ezweni labo njengoba beshiya imisebenzi yabo kuleli.
There is no plan of action of these people. What are they going to do in Zimbabwe? We don't know. Some people were into construction, some people were into restaurants. It's just them going to Zimbabwe, but we don't know what's waiting for them. As you know, most of these people, they came here for work, but there is no work in Zimbabwe. There is no work in Zimbabwe. There is no companies there is companies, but they can't accommodate the numbers that are coming from here.
Bathi bakhathazekile njengoba bebetshela ukuthi umnqamlajuqu wokuthi wonke umuntu ahambe kule ndawo unamhlanje.
People are still coming. They don't know exactly what is happening. Although the process now is speeding up a little bit, because now this place where we are belongs to Home Affairs, and Home Affairs has given a deadline. So we are just hoping this process is going to speed up a little bit so that everyone will be processed and the buses leave today.
Izolo kuhamba amabhasi ayi-16 kanti namhlanje bekulindeleke ukuthi kuhamba amanye futhi ayi-13. Akukaziwe ukuthi zizophela nini lezi inkumbi zabadabuka eZimbabwe kulesikhungo njengoba abantu besaqhubeka nokutheleka ngethemba lokugodukiswa.